Hey everyone, this is just a quick video. If you have a problem with your clutch pedal squeaking, so hopefully you heard that squeaking. Now the first thing you can do, and the easiest thing, is grease that clever spin there at the top there. So with a bit of lithium grease you can just spray that pin. As you can see, I've done that. Start off with that because that's the easiest thing you can do. How to remove a starter motor on a EJ20 or EJ205. The first thing you want to do is disconnect your battery. If you're doing any electrical work on any of your vehicles, always make sure to disconnect your battery. But before you do this, make sure you save any radio codes or a memory saver in the cigarette socket. But we don't have to worry about the Subarus. So in order to get to your slave cylinder over there, you'll have to remove your intercooler. Okay, so once you disconnect your battery, just check up the vehicle and we'll go underneath. So the reason why we have to jack the car up, so we can get access to that bolt there. It's the easiest way to get access to that 14mm bolt. So when we take that bolt off, the rest of the work is all at the top of the vehicle. So have to go ahead and disconnect that electrical eye terminal there and the connector, and then we can pull out the starter motor. And at the top here, your other bolt is there. As you can see, I've removed the slave cylinder and I've removed the rubber boot, so you can see that there's no leaks or anything. The next step was just to grease the ends. This is what the pedal sounds like now after the greasing of the slave cylinder and the pivot point. So as you can hear, it's perfectly quiet now. And with just that simple slave cylinder, we'll just take you again and just review it. I hope that was of some help to you. If it was, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching everyone. See ya.